Hello, dear children. I hope you all are fine and doing good. Do you know all living things need water to live? We get water from different sources. So, here I have made a project for you about sources of water. Do you know which is the main source of water? Rain. Rain is the main source of water, and the water from rain is called rainwater. Rainwater goes to the river, ponds, lakes, wells, streams, and waterfalls. These are called water bodies. Some other water bodies are also there, like sea and ocean. They are huge. They contain a large amount of water. So, all water bodies are sources of water for living things. Trees get water from rain. Animals get water from rivers, ponds, lakes, streams, and waterfalls. We get water from wells, rivers, lakes, ponds, and waterfalls. Water from these sources come through the taps and pipelines in our houses. So here we have seen so many sources of water. Do you know there are two types of sources of water? One is natural sources of water which is made by nature. Another one is man-made sources of water which is made by man. So which are the natural sources of water? Rain, river, pond, lake, ocean, sea, spring and waterfall. These are the natural sources of water. Now which are the man-made sources of water? Well, hand pump, tube well, bore well. These are the man-made sources of water. Some rainwater flows into the rivers and streams. The water from the river goes to the sea and ocean. Some rainwater collects over the ground to form lakes and ponds. Some water goes under the ground as groundwater. Sometimes it comes out in the form of water springs. So to use the water stored under the ground, we dig wells, bore wells, hand pumps and tube wells. The water that we use every day is called fresh water. It comes from rivers, ponds, lakes, streams and wells. We use this water for drinking, bathing, washing and cooking. We cannot use water from seas and ocean. Do you know why? Because that water is salty. In cities, people use tap water for their daily use. Tap water comes from ponds, rivers, lakes and wells like bore wells and tube wells. In villages, people may use tap water or they use water from wells, rivers, streams, lakes directly. They also use hand pumps. Tell me one thing, should we use river or pond water directly for drinking? No, because it contains dirt or mud. Sometimes the water looks clean to our eyes, but it may have germs in it. So what should we do? To use the water for drinking, we need to boil it first. Boiling makes the water fit for drinking. Nowadays, water purifiers are used to make water fit for drinking. Do you know there are some places like where people are walking far away for water. Water is not easily available for them. But we are very lucky that we are getting water very easily for our daily use. So what is our duty? We should not waste water at all. We should always close the tap when we are not using it. We can save rainwater. We can save water like when we are washing vegetables, fruits. That water we cannot waste, we should use it for watering plants. Like this we can save water also. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed it and clearly understood about the sources of water. Thank you.